Hey guys, Lisa from Hello Happy here, and today I'm doing a video about the magic ring, or the magic circle, or the adjustable ring, whatever you want to call it. A lot of crocheters, even if they've been crocheting for a while, seem to really struggle with it. And the other day, either when I was in the shower or just zoning out, brushing my teeth or something, an idea popped into my head for how to teach the magic ring. I don't know if it's been done like this before by anyone else, but if it has, I don't know about it. So I think the problem people mainly struggle with is just understanding what they're doing and why they're doing it. So this is kind of going to be a breakdown of like the mechanics, the physics, the engineering behind the magic ring. So hopefully this will help some people out who are struggling and maybe also help them like retain it, because I know some people have to like rewatch videos every time they want to make a magic ring because they just can't remember. So hopefully maybe this will help with that too. So what is a magic ring? I mean, you already know if you're here. You make a ring and then you can crochet into it and then you can pull the string to tighten it and you're all good. But what is it? You just make a loop, right? And you slip stitch over this strand so that it holds the loop shape into place. Like, you can do it flat like this. This is all you're doing. You're just grabbing this yarn so that it comes under here so that it gets this little lock. So it kind of twists over it. And then you just have to hold this. You got to tighten it, of course, like a normal loop. And then you just do that to do a slip stitch over it. Like, it's really, really simple. So instead of doing the loop, I'm going to just cut this piece of yarn first, right? All right, now if you were going to make a slip stitch on this, what would you do? You would go under, right? You would grab some yarn. You would make sure you held this yarn that's going over it. And you would have to hold all of these strands, and then you would pull under, right? And then you would go like that. And that's how you would crochet over that single strand. It's the same concept. It's just that you're making a loop instead of crocheting over this one strand. So the method I like to do, there's many methods. The one you like the best is the one you should use. You can't know until you try a bunch, but you're literally just doing what you just did. You're just crossing over. Now imagine this is that strand right here, and you're going to crochet into this strand or on top of this strand. So you have to bring your working yarn, you have to bring it underneath so that you can join it, right? And then you have to hold all the strands. You have to pull the loop on your hook tight, and then you just do your slip stitch. It's the exact same process as with the single strand. You're just crocheting over this single strand. So I think you should just practice doing that with this single strand to get used to how to hold the yarn. You got to bring it under, right? That's how you would crochet over this single strand. You create a loop over your hook, and then you have to hold all of the strands, and you pull it under, and then you yarn over and pull through. And that's how you do that. And again, you're going to do the same thing, except that you're going to do it with a loop like this instead of the single strand. So pretend this is your single strand. You're going to go under, grab your yarn, and then you're going to hold all of the strands at once while pulling this loop tight and then bringing it through. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's so simple. You're just crocheting over one strand. That's it. That's the video. I hope that helped someone. Na-na. That's all I got. Bye!